Hello, it's Mama Mo from Kusina ni MonCesCa. Welcome to a new episode of Hobby Baking Adventures. Today, we are going to make ube crinkles with our ube halaya. I had refrigerated the cookie dough for the ube crinkles, so they are now nice and cold. I just use a spoon to scoop out about a teaspoon. We have to work fast doing this because we want to pop this in the oven while it's still cold. So when it comes out, it is nice and puffy. Okay, so I'll continue doing this with the rest of the dough. Let's try the ube crinkles now. It's really good and chewy. This recipe has all-purpose flour and glutinous rice flour, which makes it chewy. So far, this is the best ube crinkle recipe I've made.